To create a website for cleaning services on Wix, start by going to the Edit Website section or create a new website if needed. The Wix website editor is where all the modifications take place. The first step is to change the headline to something related to cleaning services. Then, focus on the Welcome section, which can be modified to have a background image related to cleaning. The text in this section can also be changed using AI tools to generate new content. It's essential to provide clear and concise information about the services offered. The Welcome and About sections can be combined to save space and keep the website minimalistic. As simplicity is key in modern web design, the next step is to add a design section, such as a gallery, to showcase pictures of cleaned offices, houses, or other relevant spaces. These images can be uploaded from a computer or selected from Wix's media library. Managing media is crucial to ensure the website has a professional look. After organizing the media, the layout can be changed to be more professional. Adding a services section is also vital, as it outlines the problems the cleaning service can solve for clients. This section can include images and descriptions of the services offered. It's also a good idea to include a team section to establish trust with potential clients. This section can feature information about employees, including their names, roles, and images. Throughout the process, it's essential to keep the website simple, clear, and easy to navigate. The goal is to provide visitors with a straightforward understanding of the services offered and the benefits of choosing the cleaning service. By following these steps, a professional and effective website for cleaning services can be created on Wix.